I've been going back and forth with somebody on Facebook Marketplace for a couple of days looking to buy a piece of history. And finally today, I got the approval to pick up this car, and I think you guys are going to love this thing. Let's go pick up a piece of history.
I got a stick in my ass, dude.
From what?
I got a stick in my ass.
From what? Oh, the bush? That's not good, dude. What's up, man?
Excuse me from the gym.
I had to pull this guy from the gym because of this. What I'm telling you guys, this thing is going to be fire. Not the way it looks right now. It looks like a piece of shit. I mean, it's a rolling bare chassis at the moment, but hey, it's going to be a fun little build when we get this thing started. Just got the money out right here. 600 bucks. This thing is going to be fire. 600 bucks, dude. 600 bucks. Take it, dude. Take it or leave it. He's in there getting some snacks for the road right now. Got the money right here. All the little mic and stuff like that. Filling up gas right now. About to get a full tank. Probably 100 bucks. This thing's already at 35 already. What you get over here, dude?
Hey, bro, I brought the drinks this time, all right? I brought the drinks.
What you get to eat? What you get to eat?
Best food in the world right
Oh, wait, what is that? Taquitos?
Buffalo chicken taquito.
That's what I'm talking about. Over $72. This thing's only at 13 gallons. Miles per gallon right now is 199.
This shit is dog shit.
It doesn't taste good?
Bro,
Let me see the inside of it.
It looks like dog food, bro.
Ooh, this is Chevron. Don't go over here to Chevron. It's a full tank right there. 113 bucks.
This guy can't get one reliable car. We're on the way to buy another unreliable car.
This thing was reliable until today. I guess GM's shitty ass transmission just wants to be shitty right now. So, point towards the dash right now. Right now, my transmission temperature is at 189. When we broke down, it was over 200. That's not supposed to happen with a transmission. It's not supposed to go over 200. So now, I got to figure out why my transmission fluid is going over 200 degrees. It doesn't make sense. It's annoying. Now, I just have to probably part this thing out and get a whole new fucking truck.
All right, I think that's a little much, but
This is the M3 we're getting right now. No engine, perfect little shell.
No drivetrain at all.
No drivetrain, no transmission, anything like that. It has the rear subframe or no?
Yeah, has
All
a
right.
rear subframe, no rear trailing arms though.
All right.
No diff. So.
This is another one right here.
That's mine.
M3?
Yeah.
Oh my God, dude.
I have like 3 of them.
Guys, we kind of stumbled upon Gintani over here. There's a bunch of stuff going on. Let me show you guys this right quick. Ferrari over there, 488. Is that a 488?
Yeah, that one.
488 over there. R8 right here. We got an Aventador right here. 911, 911, Aventador, Aventador, Aventador. But then we have a GTR with big ass BBL wheels on it. It's like the BBL special right here. Look at this.
This thing makes like 1,400 wheels.
1,400 wheel. Oh
Seeing that thing, bro.
my God. I need to go look at this Aventador right here. I could take a picture of it?
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at this thing. Twin turbo Aventador 911. Oh my God, dude. Look at this thing. V12 twin turbo. This thing is beautiful. You guys are building these cars?
Yeah. We
So
fabricate all the exhaust systems.
You guys are putting in the work over here?
Yeah.
So you guys are the guys behind the videos and shit like that. Hey, shout out to you. You guys mind being on video?
No.
Shout out to you guys, man. You guys are the main people behind Gintani over here. Oh my God,
They're all
dude.
the same color and they're all different variations.
These are customer cars?
Yeah. This is a S, SVJ, SV.
Oh my. I'm not gonna lie, Aventador, since I was a kid, has been like a dream car for me to own. Oh my God. Whose is this right here? The wagon.
Yeah, that's mine.
That's your wagon? You guys got some cool shit over here, don't you? Oh my God.
I got an E36 too.
For real? What do you have done to this one right here?
This one is just a bucket, bro.
Just a bucket?
Yeah, this is
Not really much going into it?
I have another one that's S54 swap.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It was just like a daily.
I have a Mercedes 190E also, but it's like completely stock, and I want to do something to it, but I kind of do want to keep it stock
I had a
at the same time.
E320. That shit went up to like 250,000 miles.
Yeah, no, that's a pretty safe car to build upon too, because there's not really a lot going into it.
This car was originally ordered from Germany, so
Really?
The family fully spec'd this out, and it was a European delivery.
So this is basically
this is a one-owner show essentially.
this is what started Gintani, basically, kind of in a way.
Gintani, but it's one of Alex's first cars, and if you look on the back over there, it has one of the OG like Gintani stickers.
Oh my god, dude! This is crazy that I even stumbled upon this on Marketplace. Like that makes me need to take it home even more. Just hearing what the fuck I just stumbled upon.
Just selling it to us, dude.
No, this is like, you could tell like it's legit. This is no bullshit, anything like this.
I think
So
he has pictures on this car. Like
Yeah,
he used to
there's-
have it all paint matched.
yeah,
Photos of this car. It used to have like a full Schnitzer kit, I think, AC Schnitzer kit, or Haman kit. Yeah, it had Haman wheels.
really.
Yeah, it was crazy. I think I can find a picture on it.
And you guys ended up buying it off of him?
No, I'm just selling it for.
No, it's his.
Oh, all right.
Technically his.
Oh, it's still his?
It's a 2-owner car. So the first owner is
Yeah.
the DMV because it came from Germany, so they have to clear customs.
Yeah.
So the first owner is the DMV. Second owner is Alex's family. That's it. 2 owners.
Yeah.
I think it has like 60 or 70,000 miles.
Dude, this is some crazy shit, dude.
It's a straight
Thi-
full-on Euro delivery. Like,
Some YouTube content right here.
Dude, how do you feel about this right now?
Crazy, dude.
I was not. This is like literally blowing my mind right now that I watched this. Like I watched shit like this, like fucking, like DDE shit like that. I watched them, and then out of nowhere I show up at.
they were just here the other day.
Poor car just sat from negligence, honestly.
So it's been sitting since 2005.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
So 20 years, this thing has not ran.
Could you see this car in any of the videos?
I don't think so.
There's probably photos of it from like old hot import.
It
Yeah.
literally just got here, like in this spot, like a
Yeah.
month ago. It was sitting at Chris's shop. Cat's
Really?
shop.
Oh my god, dude, that's crazy, man.
It was literally sitting in his storage for the longest time.
All right.
There's a video. We did a documentary on the story of Gintani and like Alex Gintani.
Yeah.
There's a part in that documentary, I gotta find it on YouTube somewhere, where he actually shows pictures of this original car. Like
Really?
when it was running and all.
It's called The Story of Gintani.
I gotta find it on YouTube. It's
He literally has like a picture of like 2 models like sitting like
yeah, sitting on it and same on the door.
Really?
Yeah, I'll find it.
I'm gonna have to find it and put it in the video, honestly.
This is the car.
Holy shit.
Oh, dude, I miss my car, man. That's one car I should have never, ever touched in my life. And look, crazy, look. It's got a F1 Motorsports license plate on it. That's where I used to go take everybody and do my little side hustle. I used to sell stuff. Look at that. Look at my engine bay. It was so nice, so clean. Look at that.
Dude, that's crazy, man. Dude, I wish I wore like different clothes today too, man. Oh my, why didn't you guys tell me who you guys were? Oh my, I just came out in like fucking pajamas. Oh my god, I came out in pajamas, man. Man, look at what I have on right now, dude. Like, I'm over here wearing this and oh my god. You guys are crazy, man. You guys are the homies now, you know that? I see you guys as the homies now. This is the interior for the car right here. Has the fenders right there for the wide body and the quarter panels. It's already cut for the wide body. A little bit of rust on it, but this thing is the perfect car to start a build with. Thinking about an LS swap for this thing. No longer gonna go with the M3 engine, S52. Really want to do an LS on this. Hey man, you guys made my day with this one. You guys really did.
Good luck with the build, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna need it. I'm gonna need it because
you even got the gas tank's already deleted, so you can put a fuel cell in the back.
oh, the gas tank's already deleted.
It's already
Oh
deleted.
shit, I didn't even notice that.
So it's ready for a fuel cell.
Oh my god.
You got the fucking like the gas tanks right there.
Yeah. What I do plan on doing is first take off the rust, especially like probably clean up the whole quarter panel, and everything that goes to the front, and just primer the whole thing for right now.
And just leave it.
Yeah, just leave it.
Probably lifting 2 feet.
How heavy is it? Can you lift it? Oh, a little bit. You hurt yourself?
I guarantee both of us fucking pick that.
Let's see if you guys can pick it up.
There you go.
You guys lifted a little bit. A little bit.
Right now we're loading up Alex Gintani's M3, one of his first cars. This shit is so crazy, dude. Just ran into a problem. They say they're not gonna tow it because it's a project car. We're gonna have to find a new towing alternative because they ain't towing it. And it kind of sucks because now he really was the car since its history. Tow truck drivers kind of being a dickhead, a little meanie, but we're gonna have to find a different alternative because we gotta go home with this car. I mean, just the history itself.
Hey, that cop doesn't know I'm about to buy an M3. Well, I already did buy the M3. It's gonna be here tomorrow.
What does that have to do with anything, dude?
I don't know. The cop doesn't know I bought one.
Hey, this guy just bought an M3.
Chill.
Oh, my fault.
I don't want him to know. It is now the next day. I am super excited. The M3 is finally going to be sitting in the garage where it is supposed to be. But let's go ahead and move this truck because the other truck that has the M3 is going to be here in just a second. This thing right here caused me a couple of issues yesterday too. It was not doing me well going on that trip. Oh my God, man, I'm so excited, man. You guys don't know it. Finally, after so long of me wanting to build something like this, I'm finally going to have the opportunity. This thing still has the check engine light from yesterday. That's just obnoxious. This is where the M3 is going to sit right here in the front, and my garage is looking immaculate right now. You guys can see the charger right here. I know I promised you guys Tuesday we were going to have another video up, but the M3 happened, so I had to take a break from the charger content just for a little bit. But look at all the room that we're going to have for a whole bunch of activities with this M3. Like I said before, the charger is actually going to get moved to right here a little bit more, and then we're going to have more than enough room to do what we need to do. The cylinder head has to get out the way still, but I mean, that's it. I just got the text saying he's outside. Let's see where he's at. Here the M3 is right here. M3, but then we got over here a Gintani logo. This is just crazy, man. This is his car from 2002. You guys seen in the video. He ended up tearing it apart. He didn't like the way it is, and it just sat. It has a whole entire body kit in here too, from when he tried to do the Le Mans style body kit like he said. So that body kit is still in this thing right now. There's water down there. I have to get that out, but so far we got a bunch of parts. There's also a lot of surface rust on this thing right here. The seal for the windows has a lot of rust. There's a lot of rust on the fenders. That's the main thing that we got to take care of, and getting the moisture from inside of the cab. This is what you get for $600 of rolling shell BMW E36 M3. Hey man, this is going to be a fun little build. Leave it down in the comment section. What engine should we put in this thing?